In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete ads on Google Ads. This guide is perfect for those who want to clean up their Google Ads account or remove ineffective ads to focus on those that bring better results. Let's get started. We begin by navigating to the Google Ads homepage. To do this, simply go to your web browser and type in the Google Ads URL. This will take you directly to the overview page of your Google Ads account. It's important to note that you may need to sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the overview page, the next step is to locate the campaign section. You'll find this on the left side of your screen. Click on it to proceed. The campaign section is where all your active and paused campaigns are listed. It's the heart of your advertising efforts on Google, allowing you to manage everything in one place. After clicking on campaigns, you're going to click on the Ads tab. This action will direct you to a page that displays all the ads you've created under your selected campaign. Here you can see each ad's performance, such as the number of clicks, impressions, and its overall status. Remember, Google Ads operates on a hierarchical structure, which means that ads are components of campaigns, and it's crucial to navigate to the correct level to make the necessary changes. Now it's time to select the ads you wish to delete. Browse through your list of ads and carefully choose the ones that are not performing well or are no longer relevant to your advertising goals. Be strategic in your selection process, considering the impact of removing these ads on your overall campaign performance. After making your selection, look for the Edit button. This button is often found above the list of your ads or close to the ad you've selected. Clicking Edit will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Here, you're looking for the Remove option. This is a critical step. Removing an ad is permanent, and it means that particular ad will no longer run or accrue any more statistics. Click on Remove. A dialog box may appear asking you to confirm your decision. Take this moment to double check that you've selected the correct ads to delete. If you're sure, confirm the removal. This action will delete the ads from your Google Ads campaign, freeing up space for you to add new, potentially more effective ads. Now, a few additional tips to consider throughout this process. Deleting an ad is permanent, but it doesn't affect the campaign structure or other ads within the same campaign. You can always create new ads to replace the deleted ones if needed. It's a good practice to periodically review your ad performance. This ensures your campaigns remain optimized and continue to meet your marketing objectives. If you're unsure whether to delete an ad, consider pausing it instead. Pausing an ad temporarily stops it from running without permanently removing it. This allows you to revisit your decision later. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to delete ads within your Google Ads campaign. Regular maintenance and review of your ad performance are key to sustaining an effective online advertising strategy. By removing underperforming or outdated ads, you're ensuring that your campaigns remain fresh and relevant to your target audience. Remember, marketing is an iterative process, and continuous improvement is the path to success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tips and tutorials to help you navigate the digital marketing landscape. Happy advertising!